Hello, dear students. Today we are going to talk about food labeling. Open your books at page 96. Exercise 1. Look at the labels. What are they for?
The labels are found on food products and give information about storage, ingredients, nutrition, and more.
Before reading the text, let's get acquainted with new words, listen to them, and write down in your vocabularies.
Complain, consumer, consumption, contact, display, freezer, informed decision, ingredient, label, law, prepare, satisfied, store, tinned food.
Now let's listen to the text and read to find out.
Food labeling. What is a label? A label is a piece of paper or other material that gives consumers information about a product. Why do we need labels? Labels help consumers make informed decisions about the products they want to buy. In different countries, there are different laws about what information a label must contain. Usually, they say what ingredients the product has in it, where it was made, and how to store, prepare, and use the product safely. Why do labels have dates on them? Food labels must have a use by, best before date on them. This date tells the consumer when the product is no longer safe to use. Why do labels tell us where to store our products? The storage conditions tell consumers where the product needs to be kept so that it is safe for consumption. For example, tinned food must be kept in a cool, dry place until it is opened. After opening, it should be kept in the fridge or freezer. Why do labels tell us where our products come from? By law, labels have to display the name of the company, its address, and the country it comes from. If consumers are not satisfied with the product, they can contact the company. For example, if a consumer buys a product that does not match the description on the label, they can use the contact information to complain to the company. What is the Nutritional Information Health Claims section for? The ingredients list and nutritional information tell consumers what is in the product and exactly how much protein, fat, sugar, salt, etc. it has in it. This helps consumers decide whether what they are buying is suitable for them.
In exercise 2, you are to read the text again and mark the statements as true, false, or doesn't say. You are to correct the false statements. For example, sentence 1. All countries have the same rules about what information must be on a label. It is false. Because according to the text, in different countries there are different laws about what information label must contain. You have to finish this exercise yourselves. Now let's watch the video.
Food labeling.
Did you know that there is whole food and food products? You won't find a label on whole food, but you'll find a label on food products, because this is processed food that is engineered to be convenient, last a long time in the store, and taste good so that you want more, which does not mean it's good for you. You want to be smart about what you eat, and knowing the basics about labels puts you in charge of making smart decisions about what you put in your body. Every label looks pretty much like this. What's in it is over here, and here are the percent daily value numbers. The percent daily value number is the percent of what one serving gives you out of the recommended 2,000 calories in one day. Here's a cool trick. Always begin where it says ingredients, which is rarely at the top. Look at the first ingredients. If a sugar or a sweetener appears as one of the first 3 ingredients, it's a dessert. A salad dressing that has sugar as one of the first 3 ingredients, and you put it on, your healthy salad just turned into a dessert. Believe me, it's a dessert. How can you stay healthy if you eat desserts all day? That's what many folks do, but they don't know it. Be careful. There are over 40 names for sugar. Finding the added or hidden sugars is the key to choosing something healthy to eat. Too much sugar turns to fat in your body. A lot of people don't know that. The sugar you really want to watch out for is high fructose corn syrup. It's put into all kinds of food because it's cheap, but it has no value for you. Just empty, harmful calories. Your body does need sugar, but only the right sugar. Now read the entire list of ingredients. Do you know what all the ingredients are? What's that? If you don't know what an ingredient is, chances are it's an additive designed to preserve and enhance the flavor. It's not food. Remember, whole food, food products. They're not the same. Now we can go to the top of the label and evaluate. Serving size is all about 1 serving. Servings per container will tell you a lot more. A small package sometimes contains 2 servings. Ask yourself, if there are 2 servings in a package, will I be satisfied by only eating half the package, or will I want more than 1 serving? Calories. Obviously, the more you eat, the more calories you take in. If you want to know how many calories are in the whole package, just multiply the servings per container times the calories. Whoa! Now look at calories from fat. Actually, oils and fats are important to your health. But let's get this right. Basically, there are 3 kinds of oils and fats. 1. Healthy oils and fats that come from plants, seeds, and fish. 2. Not as healthy oils and fats that come from animals, like saturated fats. And 3. Man-made oils and fats, like partially hydrogenated or trans fats, that you do not want to eat ever. Let's say the calorie number is 200, and the calories from fat number, 120. That means that over half of the calories are from fat. All partially hydrogenated or trans fats should be eliminated completely. The trans fat number must be 0. Here's an important number. Dietary fiber. Look for 3 grams or more for every 100 calories per serving. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive tract and helps balance blood sugar. Fiber comes from plants including fruits, vegetables, beans, whole grains. You know, whole food. The recommended fiber intake is a minimum of 25 grams a day. So you're gonna have to eat quite a bit of good food to reach 25 grams a day. Food products may taste good, but they don't have much fiber. Sorry.
In exercise 3, you are to answer, do you think it's important to have labels on food products? Why? Let's listen to the model.
I think it is important for food products to have labels so we can know exactly what we are eating and make informed decisions about products before we buy them.
In exercise 4, you are to make photos of the packing of products. You are to collect as many labels as you can. And you are also to present them saying what each one is for and where you found them.